So Noah is preparing to apply a 4x8 piece of vinyl to this 4x8 substrate. This is a max metal substrate. Makes a great sign for outdoors or indoors, but it really it's two aluminum sheets with a center core. And here he goes. He is applying. Let's go over here behind him. He's using what's called a Big Squeegee. You may have seen us use it in a prior video. And now James is going to help him. As you can see, it just lays it down without bubbles, very straight. And this is being done for Oliver's driveline and gear. His website's oliversdriveshaft.com. So if you need a drive shaft or car repair work done to your car, truck, whatever it is, bring it there. But yeah, they're getting close to the end here. You can tell they've done this before. I'm going to jump over here to the other side. And there we go, the last bit of it. Bam. Good job, guys. Good job. And now we just trim it out and we edge seal it, and this is ready to go.